Whether you have thin hair or breaking hair or just heat damaged hair, we have a scalp serum for everyone. So I'm gonna really walk you through which one is the best for your scalp health. The Vegamour Grow Hair Serum has been a real hair saver for me. If your main concern is thinning, this is a great one for you. It also helps to deal with breakage and hair density. I usually have a ton of new hair growth. The Kérastase Genesis Scalp Serum is excellent if you have heat damaged hair. I mean, who doesn't? This is really great. It adds like a lot of extra shine. It's gonna give it a lot of strength to your hair, which ultimately makes it way easier to style your hair. It really just gives your hair that extra je ne sais quoi. And I know everyone hates flakes coming up on winter, and that is the time when the flakes tend to rear their ugly head. So this is a really great serum. So I highly recommend the Ouai Scalp Serum if you have any sort of flakiness or dryness. If you're noticing that your skin is dry in the wintertime, so is your scalp. So try the Ouai. Whether your concern is thinning of your hair or just heat damage, hydration, overall just flakiness in your scalp, there is a serum for that, and I highly recommend checking them out.